Good morning, animal friends. It's Tuesday today. We're going out on a different day. And, okay. And Ron's going to hook up his trailer and all that. And we're going to see if the lights are working. So he did some repairs on his trailer.
Back lights. Show the back lights.
Oh, the back lights. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty impressive there.
This is the old one.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, that needed to be changed. That one looks pretty cool. And so does that. Look at that, nice. Magnet. I know, a magnet on the other side. So now what he wants to do is wash his trailer and give it a coat of paint. He did all the mechanical stuff on it, so now he just needs to wash it and paint it up. Okay, so the lights are working there. Okay, I'll check to see if the back ones are working. That's the most important ones. They're not working. No, just kidding. Nice. They're working very nicely. Look at that. Oh, and you even got that all.
Oh, yeah,
look at you. Wow, way to go. Okay. Well, I think those are some pretty nice looking clouds this morning. Look at that. How nice. That's beautiful. Oh.
Sorry.
Slam the door while I'm taking a picture of these beautiful clouds. I like them. I think they're pretty this morning. Did you take a look up this morning?
No.
No?
Haven't got time to look up.
Okay, we are at our first pickup. Oh, and we have bikes over here. And odds and sods here we have. Okay, we have these bikes. And this. Oh, that's pretty. That was pretty cool. Okay. Okay. All right. Perfect. Thank you so much for this. Okay, we're at our second stop. And Ron's all excited because this is a pressure washer. Are you excited about this? Oh, look at that. That's very, very nice. Very nice. Okay, awesome. Okay, this is our next stop. We have a lawnmower and we have pipes of some sort and tomato cages. All right. Okay, we are at our next stop and what do we have in here?
What does Peter have for us?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, all this stuff here.
Nice motor.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What's in there? Oh, okay. Looks kind of burnt out. Oh, no. All right. Thank you for that. Okay, this is our next stop, and we have a dishwasher here. It's just very, very nice. Thank you for that. All that good stuff in there. All those wires and whatever makes a dishwasher run. Okay, perfect. Thank you for that.
Hey, buddy. Yes, I know.
For someone who didn't want to take a cookie, well, he sure is enjoying this cookie. Hey, look at you. Okay, this is our next stop, and it's a screen door that's seen many, many openings and closing. Anyways, but I couldn't see it, but Ron picked it up right away. All right. There we go. And into our trailer it goes. It's getting quite full, our trailer. It's getting quite full.
Okay, here, in here, look. Look what's in here. Okay. Look what we have here. We've got Temptations. Here you go. Look.
So this one here is Hazel. That's Hazel, yeah. Okay. You might be thinking about Chase.
So, look at all the pigeons. They're all up there. Looking down at us. What are they doing? It's been quiet here because it was a long weekend, so, and now they're checking things out. Checking out. There they go.
These horses will come see us. Too far away, they don't know I have treats. Okay, let's go see you this side. They see the no frill bag, and here they come. Hi, Addie. No, I mean, honey. Oh, no. Oh, Here you go, honey. And what's your name? All right, we're gonna carry on.
So we're at our next stop and we have a bike
Have a
and
nice bike, eh?
you know what? It kind of looks kind of nice, doesn't it? Oh well.
I'm gonna donate that. They're eating the flowers out of that.
Oh, is that what they're doing?
Look, they're eating the flowers out of that flower pot. Yeah.
Well, yum, yum, yum. There we go. Now we can see it. Okay. It's all taken apart. Isn't that something? Look at that. Very, very nice. Okay.